Hello everyone, I am Gopi Srikanth, Consultant Gastroenterology and Hepatology at Yashoda Hospitals, Hitec City. Gastroenterology and liver diseases are on the rise. General physicians and surgeons are essential pillars in bridging the gap between the population and super specialty services. Gastroenterology is rapidly evolving. We understand your challenges in staying updated with your busy schedules. So we crafted a unique program called Bridge the Gaps program, where we discuss the latest and clinically relevant knowledge through engaging and interactive sessions. We will cover all the topics in 4 exclusive conferences held over 2 years. We begin this journey with the liver chapter, and these will be followed by conferences on pancreatobiliary sciences, upper GI and lower GI systems. Come, join us for the Bridge the Gaps program on liver chapter on March 24th at Yashoda Hospitals, Hitec City. Together, we can learn to enhance our clinical knowledge in liver diseases. Thank you.